My landlady and I.
Hey! Oh God, this boy will not make heaven. No. Only 1 year 6 months in this compound, and he has brought 112 girls. This will make 113. Ha! Now wow, I will for me.
My mommy. Good afternoon.
How are you, my son?
Good afternoon, ma.
How is my cake?
You can see everything is fine. No. I'm looking for some bottles.
Alright, ma. Later, ma.
Okay. Take care.
Who is she?
That's my landlady.
Wow, she's really nice.
Nice. Yeah, she's friendly.
Hey, kind of shy.
I'm coming.
Alright, I'll be waiting.
Alright. Mommy, I have some sugar that I saw, but this is the last one.
It's fine. No.
Yes, very fine.
It looks very expensive.
Yes, it is. It's expensive.
You see, I would have bought it too, but you know how the thing is now. There is no money.
Mommy, I'm not selling it to you. I'm giving you for free.
Hey, oh God, hey, my daughter, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. I don't know that they used to still give people things. That thing you're looking for in this compound, you will surely see.
Amen. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma.
Omoriri, just like that. That party, I will enter with grand style. I have told the Yabumi I don't like this color. What is wrong with this now?
Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon, my daughter. He is not around.
Oh, he's not around?
No.
And I've been trying his number. He's not going through. Let me wait for him.
Wait for him where? You cannot wait for him.
Oh, and I've been trying his number. He's not going. Let me wait for him.
You cannot wait for him here.
Mommy. I've been trying his number. He's not going. He's not going.
Mommy, come and patronize me.
Just sit down and wait for him.
They are fine, but there's no money.
Mommy, now patronize me.
This one is fine, no.
Yes, I know it's fine. I need to suit you very well. See your fine skin. See, to suit you very, very well.
How much is it?
Mommy, it's just 4-5. What happened?
I'm not buying, no.
May I sell 7,000 naira for my friend?
Sure, you will collect 2.5.
Mommy, no. How will I sell it 2.5? The one you are tying your head. How much did you buy it?
Yeah, I'm not buying, no. What did you 4.5?
Mommy, take it now. Pay.
Okay now. Thank you. It's fine. I will now match it to that my slippers.
I think I have up to 4.5 here. I'll take.
Thank you. Mommy, I'm going to see my friend.
Okay. Hey, thank you. Thank you, my daughter. Thank you very much. Oyi is inside.
But I thought you said it's not inside.
You won't mind me now, old age, and I will not put everything in my head.
No problem, ma. Don't worry. I'll go and check him inside.
All right. Thank you, No problem. I'll put this one on my head and this one on my waist, and I'll wear that my slippers that fine girl bought for me. Hey, they will see me. What is happening here now?
Ma, fight! Why did you tell Esther that Motu is inside?
What kind of question is that? Should I have lied?
But she gave you shoe now.
See her. Ask her when she gave me the shoe. Did she ask me to lie?
But you know this package. When she gave you shoe, you should know how you will do it now.
Please. I did not ask you to have more than one girlfriend though. Ewolo Shigo.
You! So, because you know you have another girl inside, that was when you told me he's not around that bitch.
No, but I later told
you. You told me! Because I buy you gele. You should give me my gele. Give my gele. You! Don't talk to me again. If you touch me, if I slap you. Come on, give me. Put this woman. So you know that he has another girlfriend. You collected this shoe. You are a wicked woman. You are a bitch. If you touch me, if I slap you.
Come back, come Where do you think you are going to? This is all your fault. You are a nonsense boy. Hey, my gele. Hey, that fine slipper. Hey.
So out of all the things that is happening here, what your concern is your gele and the shoe. Ma, no.
What's it? Stop.
Yeah! Okay, Major!